Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and I'm a fashion seller over on Poshmark. You can find me at the Scott Cottage on the app, and you can also find me at the Scott Cottage on Instagram. So today's video is something I've really been looking forward to. It is from the Thrifting Wanderluster. So she does these boxes, and I know if you're resellers, you may have heard of her. She's pretty big, and I know other resellers have done videos on her as well. So full disclosure, it does take a while for you to get your box. I think I ordered it on June 19th and I just got it today, which is July 15th. So, and she says on her website, you know, it does take 10 to 14 business days. The 4th of July was one of those days too. So it does take about a month or so. So just be patient. I know I'm not a very patient person, and so it was really hard for me to wait for this box, but it came in today, so I figured I would go ahead and film. So this is the box. I did weigh it, and it weighs right at 5 pounds. So you can tell she's really stuffed it there. So I'm going to go ahead and hop on into this. So this was the medium reseller box. It was originally $90, I'm pretty sure, and I had a discount code, so I got it for $52. And so at the end, I'll count how many items were in here and give you kind of a average cost per good on the items. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump in. That's kind of what I'm seeing. It looks like some of it she's wrapped individually and some of it she hasn't. So first item, now my kids are in the background, so I'm sorry if you hear them. All right, so Urban Outfitters, so that's good. There is the tag. So it looks to be like a little cropped top. Show you kind of what I got going on here. Now it buttons up, so it's not buttoned. Okay, here we go. So there it is. It's a cropped top, and it has, it's kind of more fitted. It looks like around the hem. So this would be really cute, like layer over a dress. Very unique design for sure on it. It has all the buttons. That's definitely one thing you need to do, is look over your items and make sure there's no flaws. But there's no flaws. I will say it has a pretty strong like perfume smell, so I will definitely be laundering this, probably not just steaming it. So there's item number one. Next is something small, and it is wrapped in tissue paper. Let's see, it's a top. It does feel like silk. Okay, so here's the blouse. It's super cute. It feels like silk. I haven't looked yet, or linen, something like that. Let me see real quick. 100% silk. So here's the tag where it says 100% silk. Now I'm trying to figure out the brand. So I'm hoping you guys can help me below. It kind of seems like an Anthropologie piece because of the stitching on the tag, but the tag is damaged, so I can't read what that says. It's something IOT. I don't know. Size medium, has this really pretty ruffle kind of detail on the front. Hopefully you guys can see that. Floral pattern, which I love floral. So that is beautiful. This is more of a spring summer item, so I'm either going to have to get it listed really quickly to sell it, or wait until the spring. But I know a lot of people say that they list year round, so maybe I'll go ahead and list it, because you never know when people are going on vacation. So there's item number two. Okay, next is some corduroys by Athleta. So I like to sell Athleta. They do have really good quality items. So these look to be like a skinny corduroy. They feel like great condition. They don't feel like they've really been worn, so that is a plus. Let's see if it happens to say, okay. So here's the tag. So if you're ever out somewhere trying to figure out brands, this is like the symbol to look for if you find a piece and you just can't find anything. So this is, and it actually tells you in here, solid slim cord pants. So I could probably look it up, the style online, and find a picture. Now I am having trouble finding a size, so that's a little bit not good. Yeah, I can't find a size, so that's a little bit of a problem. You know, it's really hard to list things when they don't have a size. Sure, you can list measurements all day long. By looking at them, I would say they are a 10 or a 12. I could try them on and be able to tell that way because I wear a 10, but they're in great condition. It's just that, you know, that's a problem. So maybe I'm overlooking it. I don't know, but like, here's the tag. Here's what I'm seeing, just so you guys are in the loop. And, you know, it's not underneath like I thought maybe it's under. And then the only other tag in here is this. So here's the front. There's the logo, and the back just says like how to wash it. And then there's this like tag, like the manufacturing tag, and it just doesn't have any sizes. It has like the year and stuff like that. That's kind of a bummer. Hopefully they're my size. I have a hard time selling things that don't have a size. I don't really have a good feeling about listing things without a size. So maybe you guys can comment below. Maybe you guys saw it and I just missed it. So help me out if you did see it. Okay, next is something green. And it is cropped. Here we go. So looks like a keyhole in the front, cold shoulder, blouse, bell, like pretty big bell sleeves. That's cute. Let's check out the brand, Socialite, and I feel bad. I don't know that I've ever seen this brand before, but if you all have heard of it, let me know. Size small. However, this is super oversized, so even though it says small, like I know you can't tell, it's extremely oversized and like flowy, so I'm pretty sure anybody could really wear this. Okay, yeah, it doesn't say. I was hoping maybe if it was Anthropologie or an Urban Outfitters brand, but it doesn't, the RN number is not that. So anyway, if you guys have heard of this brand, let me know. This would be super cute with a pair of like denim jeans or shorts. You could wear it year round because of the color. So yeah, this is cute. It has a tassel there in the front. Okay, so that is item number 4. Moving on. All right, next it looks like a workout, like, oh, it's Lululemon. Well, that's surprising. I didn't expect to get Lululemon. So here we go. This is the Y tank, I think, because it makes the Y in the back. And this is like their signature material, like the moisture wicking. So here's the logo here on the back. And it's actually padded. Like, oh, you know what? There's only one pad in it. Which isn't a huge deal. A lot of people still purchase these tanks without the padding, so I'll just take the pad out. Like there's one pad on this side and not on this side. So that's different. So it's a size 6. So I've mentioned in one of my other videos, if the size tag is cut out, which normally it is because they're really long and annoying, just look on the left side of the top in there, and there is actually a size dot, so it's a size 6. So that's kind of a bummer that it only has one pad though, but I mean, here I can show you. Maybe you can see how there's the pad in there and not on this side. But not a deal breaker. I'll just list that it doesn't come with the padding. So that was a surprise. Didn't expect to get Lululemon. All right. Next is something gray by Billy Reed. Extra small. This definitely is oversized too. This is really, really cute. So it has, I think those are full length sleeves, or it might be a little bit above, but it has this really cute patchwork on the back of the elbow and looks like a high-low hem, and it has a really big like slit here on the side. So that is really pretty. Pocket on the front. Here's the back. So Billy Reed, made in Peru. So that's nice. Don't know this brand either. I hate that I don't know these brands because I know that they're probably really good. So yeah, 85% Prima cotton and 15% cashmere. So it definitely has like that really nice feel to it, really soft. Oh, this is so cute. If this fit, I don't wear an extra small, but like I said, it's oversized, and if it fits me, I might have to keep because this is really, really nice. Good quality, you can definitely tell. Next, woo! All right. I'm guessing these are Lily Pulitzer. I haven't looked. Nope, they're not. They're J. Crew. I just looked in my mirror. They remind me of Lily Pulitzer. Very bright, bold, you know, patterned shorts. So these are their chinos, I bet. It doesn't say, but I've sold a couple of these. But this is J. Crew, and it's not the factory, which is nice. But it is a size 0. That's, you know, kind of a bummer because these are pretty small. And also, it's, you know, the end of summer. So I'm going to have to list these pretty quickly, I think, if I want to get those sold. But those are really nice. Okay, something new with tag. So that's nice. Carmen. Don't know that I've ever heard of this either. So here's the tag. Carmen something. Mark Valvo. They retailed for $58 new. Okay, so it's a skirt. I thought it was workout pants for a minute. So that's nice. It's an elastic skirt. Has this like abstract, kind of reminds me of like lightning or tie-dye or something. Super cute. Size medium. So this is what the tag on the inside looks like. Very nice. So this is probably sold at like, it doesn't say, like Nordstrom or a department store for sure. Polyester and spandex. So this is cute. I'll be interested to know what the comps are for that. I mean, obviously it's new with tag and it retailed for $58, so not gonna sell for a whole lot, but yeah, I'll be interested to look that up. Okay, 2 more items it looks like. So first item is a sweater. Okay, so it's by Écoute. I don't know how to say that, but I have sold this brand before, and I think, okay, I'm having a brain fart where this is sold at. It's either a boutique brand or it's sold at like Urban Outfitters. It's one or the other. Oh, come on. It doesn't. RN 66170. Okay, it is. It's Urban Outfitters or Anthropologie. So this is sold at one of those stores. So really, really cute. I will say it looks oversized and maybe a little bit cropped. I can tell on my body this would be too short. But it's super cute. It has the pockets down at the bottom, long sleeves with the pattern here. And I was reading it said something about wool. So let's see, 54% acrylic, 27% cotton, and 19% wool. Wool does really well for me. I've sold quite a few pieces that were wool, and they sold pretty well for me. So there we go. And I'm trying not to knock my coffee over. It'd be terrible. Next is a top, and it is a tank top. This is pretty cute. So striped navy green and navy striped, like a racerback kinda, razorback. Okay, I do know this one. So it's by Little Yellow Button, and this is sold at Anthropologie. I have a piece from that brand in my closet right now, so that's why I know. So this is really, really cute. It is small. Let's see. I'm not seeing a size again. Let's see if it happens to be small. Okay, so size small. So I will say a lot of the sizes in this box have been small, which is hard to sell. So that's a small. Oh, I didn't say what size this was, did I? It's a size large, the sweater. But, and the skirt was a medium, but the shorts were a size 0. This was a size extra small, so that was small. The Lululemon is a size 6, so that's small. This says a small, but I mean, it could be medium. And then this shirt was a size medium. This was a size small. So, and then the corduroys that are no size, but I'm sure that they're like a 10 or a 12. So there is quite a few size small items in this box. So I am curious about comps on some of those brands. I do think I'll make some profit, but honestly, I think a lot of these brands are going to be more of like your bread and butter type items. They're not going to sell for a whole lot. And Lululemon is a little bit oversaturated right now, so it just doesn't sell as quickly as when I first started selling. So let's count the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so there are 10 items in there, like she said, and there was a card. Thank you for supporting my small business, the Thrifting Wanderluster. Thank you, Rachel. I hope you enjoy. She does like a point system. Once you've bought 10 of her boxes, you get $100 credit. So that's kind of cool. So that's really pretty card. So here's her information. So I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know if you think that this box was great, if you didn't like it, if you know some of the brands that I don't. It'd be really, really helpful. But I'd like to know what you guys think about this box. So as always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. Hit the thumbs up on the video if you like this content so I know what to film later. And I'll see you guys next time.